Welcome. Before the demands of the day begin, before the messages and the notifications, before the expectations, allow this to be a moment that belongs entirely to you. A moment to return to yourself. Let's find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through the nose. And exhale softly through the mouth. And again, inhale calm and exhale the tension. One more time. Breathing in spaciousness, breathing out anything that no longer needs your attention. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Unclench the jaw. Let the body know that for the next few moments, there is nothing to solve. Nothing to fix, nothing to chase. Simply be here. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the steady rise and fall, a quiet reminder that life is already moving through you. You do not need to force today. You do not need to control every outcome. You simply need to meet this moment fully. Take a deep breath in and imagine a warm golden light filling your entire body, flowing from the crown of your head down through your chest, through your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to the soles of your feet. With every breath, this light becomes brighter and calmer and more expansive. This is your energy, your presence, your inner state. And from this place, you get to choose how you move throughout your day. Today, we choose presence over pressure. We choose authenticity. We choose trust over worry. We choose intention over reaction. We choose kindness towards ourselves and others. We choose thoughts that support us. We choose the higher decision in each moment. We choose actions that align with the life we are creating intentionally. Take a moment to imagine the version of yourself you wish to embody today. Perhaps she is calm. Perhaps she is confident. Maybe she's joyful, or maybe she's focused. See her clearly. Notice how she carries herself, how she speaks, how she responds to challenges, and how she treats herself. Now recognize that this version of you is not somewhere in the future. She's already there. she is available in this moment. With every breath, you step more fully into her. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, set a simple intention for your day, trusting that even the smallest choice can create a powerful ripple effect. As you move throughout your day, return to this feeling often. Return to your breath. Return to your presence. Return to yourself. Big inhale in through the nose. Exhale, release. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Give yourself a hug. Carry this calm with you. Carry this intention with you. Carry this stillness within you throughout your day. And remember, the way you begin your day matters. And today, you've chosen to begin from within. I encourage you to return to this meditation every day for 30 days and watch the small, subtle shifts that occur throughout your day and as it changes throughout the weeks. Thank you for taking time for yourself, and thank you for taking time with this practice with me. I wish you a beautiful, fruitful, encouraging, and inspiring day. May peace be in your hearts, your thoughts, and your deeds. Take care, sending love.